According to Teslarati, Tesla is gearing up to start construction on its high-volume semi-factory in Nevada. Huge steel deliveries have been arriving at the site, signaling the imminent start of construction. Drone footage shared by ex-user Henrik Zane shows the steel deliveries at the upcoming semi-factory, part of an expansion to Tesla's Gigafactory in Sparks, Nevada. Tesla began expanding Giga Nevada in January, aiming to boost production of the Semi and 4680 battery cells. During Tesla's Q1 2024 earnings call, Senior Manager Dan Priestley stated the first semis are expected to roll off the production line in late 2025. Early customers could receive their vehicles in 2026. Tesla delivered its first semis to PepsiCo in December 2022. In May, they delivered 50 more semis to PepsiCo and additional units to Costco, Martin Brower, and Walmart. Tesla's semis have been actively used around Tesla's factories, transporting over 20,000 battery packs from Giga Nevada. You are listening to UON News.